guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this triple stack pumpkin. First, I've just gone in and base coated it white, and now I'm going in with a sponge brush in the color Chocolate by Dixie Belle. And I'm just painting the stem on the top and distress the edges. And I'm just going to go in and add these little vines, and I just like to curve those in. I do 2 on the top pumpkins and 4 on the bottom. And now I'm going in with that same brush and just distressing a little. I also added those little stems, and now I'm going to go in with a sponge brush and the color Putty, and I'm just going to distress a little down the sides of my stems and then go over all of my brown spots, just highlight those a little bit. Next, I'm going to go in with the color Evergreen and a number 4 round, and I'm going to do some vines off of each of my pumpkin stems. And I like to keep my vines with just 2 loops. I feel like any more than that just looks a little busy. And then I'm going to go in with Limeade and just go over all of those vines. And that is it. This is a super easy project. I hope you guys enjoy it and have a great day.